Can we install games from Microsoft Store? Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can do that or not. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. First thing you can do is go ahead and open up Microsoft Store in your desktop. And once you open it up, you may go ahead and look out for the library section in the bottom left corner of your screen. Open it up. And once you open up a library, it will show you all of the applications available here. Now you may head over to games to look for the games that you want to install. For example, I have two. So what you can do is you can look out for the three dot and look out for the cancel or something feature like uninstall. Unfortunately, we do not have it. So what you can do is you can open up your settings instead. So just go ahead and open up your settings. And then once you open up your settings, head over to apps, open it up. And from here, you may just go ahead and search for your game in the search list. For example, this, click on it and you should be finding install option. Just go ahead and click on it, confirm it, and the application should be installed from your particular device. So that is how you basically install the application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.